What's good, y'all? Exclusive with another trucking video. As you can see, it's another day in Chicago. I'm here at the rail yard, Calumet in Chicago. Lots of snow. As you can see, it's the rail yard over to my left. And yeah, I mean, we about to get to it. I got a live load today. But yeah, I mean, it's supposed to be just 1 inch of snow. So I had some WD-40. Hopefully we don't have any issues with the connection when we're hooking up. But yeah, I'm in Chicago. Another day in Chicago, man. Woo! Let's get to it though. I'm ready to get this money. It's a blizzard, but this blizzard is not going to be that bad, guys. It said, I looked at it, it said it was like 1 inch. It's going to be up to 1 inch, but you know, this is what I got to do. You know, I got about 10 minutes left before my reset. I gotta wait 10 minutes for my to complete my 10-hour reset. So once that happens, I gotta go pick up an empty and then go get my load. My load is somewhere in Aurora, it's near Aurora. I'm going to Stratosphere Quality today in Montgomery, Illinois, and that's where we're gonna get our live load today. I don't think I've been there before, Stratosphere. If I have, it's only probably been once, but that's what we're doing today. Going to get this money. Another day in Chicago. Let's do it. I believe it's the 14th, January 14th. 9 a.m. We'll let this car go by me because they want to be a speed racer in a blizzard. Looks like the roads are getting a little bit clearer as we get closer to JB Hunt. Pick up this empty. I don't think this storm is going to be that bad after all. It looked like it was based off of the winds and everything, but roads are just wet. Figure out what empty I'm going to take. Let me check this one. Looks like it's good. Zip codes match up. Just wait for them to dispatch the load on me. Sometimes these containers are not ready. They're down in the system. We got our empty. Now we're about to hit the highway, and we're gonna get on 55, and that's gonna take us, hold on, let me just see something. I'll give you guys an update once we pull up to the shipper. What's good, y'all? I don't even know if I'm at the right place right now, but we're pulling up. We gotta try to figure out if this is even where I am. Is this Menasha packaging? Oh, Menasha? Yeah. All the way down and make a right. All right. She said to the right, not to the left. Nigga, where the fuck am I going, nigga? That's crap. Bro, is this Menasha or not? I don't know where the fuck I'm at, bro. Hey, bro, is this Menasha?
Oh, this is Menasha, right? Yeah.
All right. He don't even know if this is, he don't know? He said I gotta go up the stairs. Oh, up this stairs. Please call. How you doing?
JB, huh?
Yeah, picking up.
Yeah.
I have an IT number. That's what you need, right?
It's 2601
01.
089.
Yeah, that's me. I must be the only JB Hunt driver you got. Yeah.
Can you sign this one? This is my copy, and I'll give you here too.
All right.
Here's your copy.
All right. Oh, wait. I don't even know if that's the... I don't know if I signed the right spot, but...
It's all right.
All right. All right.
Let me check this one. Yeah, it's already full.
All right.
I need that empty in the door so I
Okay.
can fill it up again.
All right. Which one you want to put in there?
Put it in door 179.
179. All right.
I'll unlock 180.
All right. 179, 180. Yup. Okay, I guess it's not a live load. 179, 180. So basically, I just had to move the tandems. I just had to move the tandems, and I'm gonna park this in 179. Pick up the preloaded. 179 is right here. I'm thinking I'm about to be here for a minute. Oh shit, I gotta, what's the name? I gotta open this bitch up. Oh, almost forgot. Almost forgot to open the back, y'all. All right, so this is a drop and hook. Thought it was a live load, but that's fine. We don't have to waste the time. Okay, just gotta move the tandems and then